All right, so we have created a new class on ClassDojo, and for some strange reason, sometimes posts are coming up in our old class. So I just wanted to make a quick little video to show you how to make sure that posts are uploading on our new class. I know that for some reason the app looks different. Even if you have an iPhone, it might look a little bit different from this. So I'm hoping that you'll still be able to kind of figure it out. So this is my parent account, so I can switch accounts. For some reason it shows up twice on here, but I can click on this. So when I click on my student account, it shows me the two classes that they are registered in. So there's the old class and there's the new class. So I click on the new class, and then I can click on my portfolio, create new. And I know that this looks different for some people, but hopefully just logging into the student account, you're able to see these two classes, and you'll want to make sure that it's happening under Grade 2 Online Learners 2.0 instead of the old one. So I hope that that helps kind of clear things up on how to make sure that posts are being uploaded to our new class. Thanks.